Imagine Turkey, at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, a NATO member since 1952, joining the BRICS alliance. This single move could set off a global geopolitical earthquake, reshaping military alliances, financial systems, and even energy markets. But why? And how does it affect you? Stay with us as we uncover how Turkey's BRICS membership could tip the scales in this new world order. Let's start with what BRICS means in 2024. What began as an economic club of emerging markets has grown into a counterbalance to Western-dominated institutions like the G7 and IMF. Led by Russia, China, and India, BRICS nations have steadily increased their global influence. Together, they make up more than 40% of the world's population and contribute significantly to global GDP. Their goal? To reduce reliance on the US dollar and foster a multipolar world, one where no single country, particularly the US, dominates the global order. But why Turkey? Turkey's geographical position between Europe and Asia, controlling key energy transit routes, gives it immense strategic importance. Add to that its membership in NATO, access to the Black Sea, and deepening ties with Russia and Iran, and you have a geopolitical pivot point. If Turkey joins BRICS, it sends a clear signal. It is no longer bound by Western allegiances. And it's not just about diplomacy. Turkey is a major player in energy transportation, acting as a vital hub for gas pipelines from Russia and Iran to Europe. What happens to energy markets if Turkey turns east? Energy markets are where Turkey's BRICS membership could cause its most immediate and tangible impact. Turkey already plays a crucial role as a transit hub for oil and gas from Russia and Iran. If Turkey aligns more closely with BRICS, the dynamics of global energy flows could shift dramatically. BRICS countries are already exploring alternatives to the US dollar in energy trade. Think of the petro-yuan. This means that Russia and China, two of Turkey's close partners, would be able to route energy trade outside the control of Western financial systems, significantly weakening the global dominance of the petrodollar. The BRICS nations have long had one major objective: de-dollarization. And this year's BRICS summit in Kazan will push the agenda further. If Turkey joins BRICS, it will add more momentum to efforts to create alternative financial systems and trading routes outside the US dollar's influence. With the new development bank and bilateral trade agreements, BRICS nations are already trading more in national currencies. Turkey's inclusion would further weaken the petrodollar and could even cause ripples in Western markets, potentially triggering inflation or economic slowdowns in regions heavily reliant on the dollar. Now, what about NATO? Turkey's potential BRICS membership poses a serious challenge to the Western military alliance. Despite its long-standing membership, Turkey's ties with NATO have become strained over the years, particularly after Turkey's purchase of Russian S-400 missile systems. So, if Turkey aligns itself more closely with Russia and China, NATO may have to reconsider its security frameworks. Could this lead to Turkey's expulsion from NATO, or will it spark a deeper internal crisis within the alliance itself? In the Middle East, Turkey's BRICS membership would have far-reaching consequences. Iran is already closely aligned with Russia and China through BRICS, and if Turkey joins, we could see the emergence of a powerful bloc in the region. This would directly challenge US and European influence, especially in energy production and regional security. Such a shift could also complicate existing relationships within the Gulf states and OPEC, potentially even driving divisions in global oil production and pricing strategies. Ultimately, Turkey joining BRICS signals a much larger movement: the decline of the unipolar world and the rise of a multipolar order. With the growing influence of the BRICS nations, the Western hegemony we've seen since World War II is being challenged. Turkey's inclusion could be one of the final nails in the coffin of Western dominance, shifting the balance of power towards the East and reshaping global alliances. We are witnessing a reordering of global power, one that will affect everything from trade to military strategy, and Turkey is at the center of this new world order. Thank you for watching Wacky Insights. If you found this video insightful, please consider subscribing for more deep dives into the shifting geopolitical landscape. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think Turkey's BRICS membership will reshape the world? And don't forget to share this video to help spark global conversations on the future of our world order.